Good evening, everyone. I welcome each one of you to our Advocate on Record Aspirants Academy. So, what is the purpose for gathering here? Let us understand the purpose first. Because unless and until we do not know our purpose, the journey will not be smooth and happy. You are traveling in a train without knowing the destination. That is vague. You will not understand where you go. But destination is very clear. Then you will understand step by step where you are moving towards. So the purpose of life is very important. Being an advocate, you have the purpose. Because at times we lose the essence, the purpose. The purpose is we belong to this great noble profession. Why it is great and noble profession? Because great people belong to this profession. Therefore, this is noble profession. So they have lived for themselves, they have lived for others, and they have sacrificed majority of their personal life for the interest of the public at large. So therefore, it has become great. So likewise, what is the message that we are taking from those great leaders? Is that we also should do great things in action, not in lip service. In action, we should do that. Performance is the only aspect which will determine our meaningful purpose in our life. So please try to understand what is the purpose of your life, what is the goal of your life, and see to that are you moving day by day towards that particular goal. If in case you have not fixed your goal, please try to aim for it. So with this noble thought, it is our regular practice that we recite preamble of the Constitution of India, because we strongly believe that the entire nation revolves towards the achievement of the goals enshrined in the preamble. Our founding parents wanted the future India to achieve the goals enshrined in the preamble. So that is why we always strongly believe that preamble, our unity, preamble, our identity, preamble, our sentiment, preamble, our commitment, preamble, our goal, preamble, our soul. So with this positive note, I request each one of you to recite preamble along with me. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Dear friends, we are moving on to a felicitation function. The reason for felicitation is for two purposes. We are going to felicitate and advocate. Mr. Manish Das, please come. Dr. Manish Das, please give him a big applause, dear friends. The reason for felicitation is he has authored more than 36 books, dear friends. More than 36 books. And I will tell you the true inspiration for me to write a book is Dr. Manish Das. I will tell you, he became a part of our AAA lectures. But on November 26th, 2024, where myself and my esteemed associate Dikshit ji were attending the Constitution Day, where we saw that Dr. Manish Das was felicitated by Chief Justice of India. So our AAA member is being felicitated. What about the founder? So therefore, he kindled fire in me, and that led to the Guiding Star book. Thereafter, that kindled fire in two of our associates, Dikshit and Tekchand. And they have written a beautiful book, From Classroom to Courtroom. And Justice Krishna Iyer was lived for a century. So these are the two books, dear friends. And our request is, it will not stop here. If on November 26th next year, all AAA members, they are going to release a book. And once we give our names, these are all part of AAA family. They need to say that. So let us commit ourselves. It is very easy, provided we have a strong determination. And we have also taken a determination that every year we have to release a book. Because our life may be very short, but this is eternal life. Book is always eternal. And what is the purpose of the book? A book which will teach us without a stick, without a harsh words. And teacher is available 24/7, dear friends, at your doorsteps. Teacher is always ready. The book is always ready. Only thing is you have to open the book and read it. If you call me also, I will say, what time you are calling, dear friend? Don't call me now. But book will never say, call me. But we never call the book. That is the major issue. So we have to respect, and we will felicitate this person, and we will produce many more Dr. Manish Das in our academy. I request our senior member, Mr. S.K. Patri sir, to also come and join us for releasing this book. Yes, for releasing this book first, please. Let us release this book. Please give it to mentor, sir. Open it, brother. Open it.
You, sir. You. I'll speak on him and you. And
Ji, open it. Open it and give it.
she always gives tasks to others so that you will be lost.
It is very difficult.
It is my duty to open it. Yes. That's why.
Thank you.
So I should get the file.
Help him. Sir, help.
No, I can help.
Please.
So cameraman सारी काम करेगा.
So one is recognizing his work. Second is spreading the light, kindling the fire in you to write. That is important, dear friends. Honorable Justice M.M. Sundaresh, my Lord, has said, when we fail to recognize the good work, we are failing in our duty. If we are appreciating the bad things, we are again failing in our duty. So appreciate the good work. See how handsome, huh? Hope the Bollywood directors, they do not steal our Dr. Manish. And this is a beautiful book, A to Z in yoga.
It is mine book also. I think one I take. Because I am giving, I'll get it back.
Now let me hand over this mic to our friend, Dr. Manish Das.
He will speak something, but I'll speak something after him.
Okay, put it.
I will also felicitate both of you. The author of this book is mine.
Hello everyone. First of all, I'm very much thankful to all my seniors, my colleagues, my junior, and all my well-wishers for your support, esteemed support, and also Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir for felicitating me. It's really great pleasure.
Master, aye. Yes. Please. Fine. Come here. Very good. Now you speak. Yeah.
And it's really great moment for me because I belong from Dibrugarh, Assam. I came Supreme Court. I joined in 2018. It's been now 8 years now. And fortunately, I met Patri sir and many other advocates out here. And Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir. Although we are from different states, we don't have the same language. We are not neighbors. We are not friends. But here we are common as a professional. And the most important thing is that I'm getting felicitation out here only because of my hard work and my focus. That is the most crucial thing. Because hard work is something we can reach to any position. 99% is the hard work, 1% is luck. People used to say luck, but I believe 99% is the hard work to reach that 1% luck. And without hard work, nobody can reach anywhere. And in today's date, as I said, today why I'm getting this felicitation? Only because of my hard work. Tomorrow you will also get this felicitation, because this is not permanent. It is keep on changing. If you work hard day to day basis, you will achieve anything. Now, what is the source of my motivation? The first of all, I have to think within myself. If not here, then where? If not now, then when? And if not me, then who? I have to keep asking this question to myself, yourself. Everybody should ask to yourself this question. And always believe that life is temporary. Whatever we do, our work will be permanent. And the thing is that whatever changes we make today will be there for tomorrow. And moreover, if he or she can do it, I also can do it. If nobody can do it, let me give it a try. And the feasibility is everything. Only thing is believe. We need to believe in ourselves. It is all a belief that the world is moving. Always believe in yourself, and a day will come when the world will believe in you. That's what I firmly believe. And with that belief, I did my MBA, my master's, my law, my PhD. With that belief, that one day I will get the recognition. And it should be constant. Appreciation, success is good, but nothing is permanent. So you have to keep everyday effort. Once upon a time when I was doing modeling, I have today, every day, a new day. I was a former model. I did acting as well, dance as well. But after a certain time, my mom told me to be into academics. So I did my MBA. I was working in abroad. Again, I came back to India from Dubai. Then again, studied law. Then I became professor in few colleges as a guest faculty. And after that, I started and completed my PhD. Then I thought of writing. That was my first book, the Assam Municipal Corporation Act, which I have written in 2022. And with the help of that book, Dibrugarh became a city after Guwahati. And after that, I wrote a book that is 10 in 1. 10 in 1 with Police Act, Prison Act and everything. And I gifted that book last year to Sir. And also Assam Building Land Construction Act, I gifted to Patricia last year. And various books. And I started writing habit in 2012 onwards. I used to write poetry, poems, quotation. So at initial level, I was very much afraid that how people will react to my poems, how people will react to my quotes. Maybe positive, maybe negative. But let's give it a try. So initially, I formed a pen name. My pen name is Rojman. The Rojman got inspired from a Hindi name. Roj means everyday, Man means mind. Everyday mind. So I used to write every day whatever comes to my mind. I used to write a practice of everyday writing. And after publishing 2-3 law books, I published my poetry book, Rojman, Life is Beautiful. And I find life is beautiful during the Corona days. Because everything was shut down, we have to do the survival strategy day by day. And that's the reason it ignites me to write a book. After my Corona period is over, we have to get gel with it. And moreover, why author? Because it helps me to transport to that place where I can't visit physically. Suppose I have to imagine Antarctica. I have to imagine and I have to write a book on Antarctica, certain topics. And I want to share the experience to the other people. They can also do the same. And enthusiase me to write on a daily basis, day-to-day basis. And it became a passion for me. And after a certain time, it helped me to remind that I can do it. Initially, my grandmother was an author. I took an inspiration of late Susila Das. She was an author of Assamese literature. And after that, my mom, my super mom, I always call her my super mom because she's an inspiration to me. Every day we were together. Even me and my mom have co-authored total 12 books on career counseling. She's a Northeast India's first lady career counselor, Mrs. Rupali Borwa Das. And she always helps me and motivates me on day-to-day basis. And my father, his blessing, is my superhero, my Superman, my He-Man. And he always supports me to do anything positive, anything what comes to you. And fortunately, I met Saravana sir, because the person with a multiple talent, because he have got a Midas touch. Whatever he touch, it becomes gold. Initially, he became an advocate, then he became an AOR, started the free AOR Academy. It's an experience for all of us. Moreover, here he's an author, and he's also a great dancer, because at that program where we went, his program was the only program where once more, and the second repeat performance was done. And I still believe in coming years, he will touch more milestones, and he's a benchmark for all of us. And above all, he's a very down-to-earth person. And this Tipule Academy, this is really helping us in day-to-day life, because it not only helping us in AOR classes completely at free of cost, but learning from an expert matters. Whatever question we have, we can ask to Saravana sir. He always clears. Over phone also, he gives us that clarity. And also, we have seen lots of felicitation of the AOR who are trained under sir and got AOR. And moreover, not only the AOR chapters, but also in humanity, literature, and we have touched different milestones. Moreover, if you see, Swami Vivekananda lecture was really helpful for us. If you ask me what I have learned from that thing, that class, that specific on Swami Vivekananda, that is the first of all, you have to be courageous. You have to be courageous. You have to have that leadership quality within yourself. You should have that empathy. You should have that fearlessness. No fear. You have to move ahead. And more important, respect for all. That is the main important thing we have to learn from Swami Vivekananda ji. And moreover, from the Krishna Nair class, P.R. Krishna Nair sir, that is the reforming the Indian criminal judicial system. That is really a benchmark, because living for 99 years as a benchmark, and he have devoted his entire life for the law community, for the law field, for the welfare of the people, for the rise of the people, for the rise of the nation. And moreover, from the preamble, which is needed to be clear, because preamble, we, the people of India established socialist, secular, sovereign, democratic republic, and that is the most important thing. We should be clear with our thoughts. And the law, our country have a constitution. Many countries don't have even constitution. Still, there are different law. But our constitution itself is the supreme law that we came to know through class. And really, and moreover, in coming days also, I can assure that I am in the right path. We can achieve milestones. We all of can become an AOR in the coming days. And also we can become a good lawyer. We can devote our life to the law field. Because I have mentioned, sir is so down to earth, so humble. Recently, I have seen some advocates wearing that red color badge of AOR. I asked, sir, why don't you wear that AOR badge? But sir, I don't want to be above all, I want to be among all. And that is the best thing, connecting all into one family. We all are under the same sky. We are all equal. That is the greatness of Sir. Raja sir have made all of us equal under the one platform, giving the equal opportunity to run forward and to be ourselves. And this writing habit is something which I have developed. I am making it everyday efforts, because within last 36 months, I have written 36 books. So one book a month. So this is something I was practicing. And formerly, I was a government lawyer in the Guwahati High Court, as well as a District Legal Service Authority, a panel lawyer for 3 years. Now I left the government. I was focusing for the other courses, and as well as I'm focusing for the AOR. So focusing one thing at a one time, and moreover, support and teamwork and effort is highly required, because together we can and will make the difference. It is not a one-man journey. We alone cannot do. We cannot do. It's a team effort. We need to discuss each other, every problem, every solution. We have to find out the perfect answer, better answer. Don't think that I learned this and I will not share this. We have to keep on discussing. It's a group discussion. It's all about, we have to make our mind focus and more focus and refocus. And I really thanks, and I like to give these 2 books to Sir and Patrice sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. And it's really pleasure to be in between you all. I need your blessings, support, and love. and also support for the AOR exam, so that I also want to clear the exam in flying colors.
Already cleared, yeah. You are cleared more than.
It's all the blessings. I'm looking forward.
Cleared more. I am giving to Raja. Raja will give it to you because I will give you more.
Okay.
Take it, because it is his day.
Thank you.
You have
Thank you
every
so
day
much.
only.
Thank you so much.
I have written Raja, then countersign Dr. Manish. Because I can give Raja any day, but I cannot find you always.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Speak for 2 minutes.
Yes.
On
Yeah.
him. You can see. There is a stand here.
Yes, sir.
So I'm reading. Friend has written 36 books. I bless him today that he should complete at least a century. At least a century. He can go beyond that. And he can do that because you know him. And it is great help that Raja is there. Because Raja may be inspired by him, but Raja is inspiring millions, hundreds, not a million, but it will be millions of hearts. He's doing a nice job. When I see Raja, I see that he is a emeritus professor. When I see in the courts, I thought he's a great lawyer. And the time is he has already proved that he's a good advocate in the court. And time will say that he can become a senior lawyer. Then he can go on one step ahead and one step ahead. And all the best wishes are with all of us with him. And he is producing stars like him. Or if he is not at all producing, but they are attracting towards it. That is a great thing. If he is attracted to this, means there is some attraction. He is even attracted to me. Only one difference I have already told, I should not tell it. I always believe that if a good lawyer, he can be anything. He can do anything. He can be a leader. He can be an advocate in the court. He can be a senior lawyer. He can be a judge. He can be a great author. A lawyer can do anything. So my passion is a lawyer. I love the lawyers. For your information, I can say I have not seen my clients. 90% of clients I have never seen in my life. They have not seen me. They might have talking to me. I know only the lawyers. If I am here to some extent or great extent or any extent, it is because the lawyers practicing anywhere in India. Anywhere in India, that is really, I am grateful to it. I have got everything from this bar. Everything. From A to Z, what I am getting today, or I am supposed to get anything tomorrow, that is because of this profession. So I love this profession. I like teaching sometimes, but I am a professional lawyer only. I like teaching means I am not a professor, but I teach also in some colleges at times. I am inspired by because after the retirement ceremony is over, you see the timing. Retirement of the Chief Justice, not an ordinary judge. Still students are coming. You are all students. Yes.
I always consider you are learning, not learning. The moment you say that you have learned, then your downfall has started. The moment I say I'm a big professor, my downfall has already started taking my toll. The moment he said that he has spoken the last words, that perhaps he has no business to stay here. And if you will say that 36 books is the final writing, no. Final is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Maybe out of that masterpiece, maybe the first one, the masterpiece may come also later. So whatever the masterpiece are, I will always say, Mr. Manish, he will go on writing, inspiring the nation, inspiring the with the people. We should do it. And this is the greatest platform, I will say. I have seen so many things in the past, so many years in Supreme Court. This is one of the best. Maybe, right? I have nothing to compare with anybody. They are doing their own way. We are doing our own way. At 7 o'clock in a Friday, after Chief Justice retirement ceremony, we are going for some lunch or snacks or dinners or high tea. Still people are coming. Still you are there. Still listening to Raja. Still listening to the young friend. I specifically made I should come there because he will be felicitated. I brought 4 of my good friends from Haryana. They have come. They are Supreme Court lawyers. I said, let us see Raja in action. They missed you, but next time they will come. I told them always, whatever you may miss in the court or something, but you come at least Friday to Raja's lecture and spread the message. And that is a great thing. Another thing I'll tell you today, it is also my area. I can tell you in that area better than most of the lawyers. That only don't be confined yourself to become a lawyer only. Lawyer is the leader of the nation. They are the social engineers. They can do anything. They can be the leaders. They can guide anybody. Even they can take the administration of hospital. They can take the administration of big hotels, big industries. So lawyers are the leaders. They are the counsel for them. So they are supposed to come. If they are supposed to, they have problems. And if they have the problems, it's only we can sort it out. Parliamentarians have their problem. Prime Minister has the problem. President has his problem. He has to refer the bill that the Supreme Court has to interpret. Then who else will to do? One thing I will tell again and again, contest the elections. Any election starting from municipality to the assembly to the parliament, so that your leadership will be felt and have a passion for the lawyers.
Because the lawyers were the leaders of the nation, leaders of the world. If you can become good lawyers, you are the leader. You are the leader. So please do it. That is my inspiration always, because I come from freedom fighter family. We have seen how my grandfathers were being suffering for this country. I've seen them, or heard them also at least. Thank you giving the opportunity to me. I always said this Raja should continue to become Maharaja. That is my blessing. And we can produce more Manish like and other person like him. I forget your name, but I know your face. Tekchand and Dikit. Everybody should be a writer, everybody should be a lawyer, and all the best qualities of Raja should be transferred to you, and all the youth spirits of yours should be transferred to him. It is a give and take. Whatever the knowledge he is giving to you, you give your feedback, and your youth spirit should come to him, so that you will never feel old always. See, hardly 18 years only practice. See, another 40 years to go. Another 40 years to go. Another 40 years means 20, 40, 60 years of practice. I have already given the blessing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Two different books. Two different books.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gifting one book to sir, one book to
What about
Pati, sir.
other book?
Next session.
We will exchange, sir, after reading.
Yes.
No, 36 means I support to give.
A to Z in yoga is good.